Rush 4. Apex, Rush 4.
Boa, go 3, Boa. So Boa Breakers, go to the Emp already. Because there are a few demigods.
Boa Apex DPS, go to M. Okay, Apex. Break. Break now. You can break now. Got DD. I've got DD on M. No worries. Got DD on M. Fuck. It's okay. Break, guys.
You got it already, bro?
Almost there.
Okay. Okay.
20%.
Break Boa.
Nice break. Okay. Got it.
Pass.
Heading to Demi now. Apex, move to Demi. Britsmall. Apex, move to Britsmall.
Okay, only one copy here.
Okay, someone defending on me.
So demigod. Yeah, they wasn't able to break any. Go to 3. Let's RG at 3, everyone. From 12 o'clock entry, go to center. From 6 going to 3. Let's take 3. Go. Take 3. Yeah, RG here at 3, Go here first. Don't go to the amp yet. I just want to see our stack. So currently we are 75 out of 96. I hope that's enough.
We had Demi at Valk Big earlier, so I don't know if they're going to cycle now.
Yeah, they might, because we had them at Luina as well. So yeah. Any resistance from 1 and 2? I'll check Stronghold 1 and 2. Oh, they might run all night, bro. But let's try. Yeah, there's no def here. Just break this mall.
They will just they will cycle break.
Yeah.
I don't want to cycle break. I want to war.
Yeah, it's not fun. Let's just move to a different channel.
Yeah, let's just speed def something.
Mm.
Let's wait for them to attack.
Yeah. Okay. Which one do you want? Greenwood?
Wait. Yeah, we can do Greenwood. Let's go Greenwood.
Which was the fastest? I think Greenwood. Yeah, everyone go Greenwood. Let's just wait for the PDEF until 1 minute, and then let's go to a different channel. Front.
Who knows? Maybe they will attack. So it's okay. They will attack us, so it's better for us.
Greenwood. Stay at your position. Left side.
Yeah, left side. We have.
Oh, okay.
Someone teleport to 1.
Teleport to 1, Boa.
Teleport to 1.
Teleport to 1, Boa. Yeah. So Apex, can you take care of 7?
Yeah.
We'll go 8. Okay. So take 8 Claw instead. Take 8 Claw because Boa teleported at 1. Then Boa, from 1 walk to 8 Boa. Apex can handle the left side already. Go to 8 Boa. Let's help mo. No Boa. Go to 8. Walk to 8. They're not here anymore. Let me just try to... Okay, thank you, Queen.
Yeah, I just wanted to cycle break. It's okay. Let's not face someone who doesn't want to face us.
Yeah, it's not fine. Just time consuming. Okay, last 11 minutes.
Don't
Let's
want to
see here.
chase.
You want front 5?
Sure.
Castle.
Apex move to front of safe zone. Safe zone.
Go back to your position already, Claw and Boa. Front 1. Neko, Ezzy, Omerta. Good seal.
Let's see.
Damnation. Front 7. Rising, Rojak. Rojak at front 8 with empty big grid. Throne.
Throne Rojak. Empty big grid.
Yeah. Front 9, front 10. Hope.
Oh, pasabi.
Front 10. OnlyFans. Omnia. Espresso. Infinite Ghost. Let's see. We're still scouting B. Shroud. 8 red. Kamikaze.
Front 31. We have Incarnate Gullwing.
Okay, let's try that.
What? I don't know if it's. I think they're still. There's no action there yet. Everything's peaceful.
Yeah.
Checking.
Twenty-one, Baby Boys, Alpha Lord. There's no action ah.
No. Boring na nga. Di season.
Off season kasi, no?
Chill lang kasi. Si-secure lang yung mga tao.
Okay, Britonia, Miki, Roisa. Yeah, it's heated but the guilds inside, I'm not sure. Bro, take over the def. I'll start front 18.
Yeah,
I'll check there. Go front 18 now.
Full na.
$7:30. Okay, thanks, Nashi. Okay, easy ko. No other guilds yet. $27.
You have contact from Rojak?
I don't have. Do you want to help them?
No. Just to break MTB grid. Just to disrupt.
Yeah, maybe we can do that. Which castle? Which front?
Yes.
That front 8?
Front 8. Just to disrupt MT and big grid.
Front 8.
I think one lance was there.
Demi coming. Is it full stack?
Demi incoming. Which side? 7 is clear. 7 is clear. Which side? 8? Full?
Is it full guild? White already. Okay.
It's okay.
Let me just check front 8.
We have one. Throne is there also. You can chat Throne to disrupt MT and Big Grid.
Yeah. Maybe we can
Full
try.
guild now. Yeah, full guild. 8 incoming. Okay. Claw, back up. Back
Okay,
up at
I'll
8.
be coming back.
We need backup at 8. Nice, they're coming for us. Okay. Apex, wait for now. Yeah. Claw and Boa. Stop them first. Okay, they're coming for 6. Apex, ready. Jump to 6. Jump to 6 now. Jump to 6. Apex, jump to 6. Claw and Boa, jump to 6. They're here. Puds up. Claw and Boa, jump to 6. Jump to 6 now. They're here. Full force. I just wipe them. Nice one.
Yeah, attacking at 6.
Yeah. Backstab. Claw and Boa, backstab. Huh? Ano yun? I died. Status. They're at 6, They're at 6.
Yeah, still pushing. Kick, everyone kick. Hela,
Kick,
dog.
so,
Just, yeah.
Ox.
I get expelled, bro.
Coming back. Claw and Boa. Full force. Let's go. Everyone go to 6. Need refill. They're incoming from 8. So, everyone refilling. Jump from 7, go to 6. Okay, let's take back 6. Let's hold them there. Okay, hold them at 7, at 6, Okay, start pushing. Get inside. Start pushing.
Push
up.
Go up the stairs, everyone. Go.
Foods up. Yeah, just hold them at 6. Don't let them pass. Push. Everyone push. Get up. Swords. I need swords. Swords, then DD. It's okay. Just hold them at 6. We need someone at 5, Claw, can you jump to 5? Claw. Jump to 5. Someone is going to take that one and break us. Claw, jump to 5 now.
On the skill, bro. Taking 5.
Yeah.
CD
Just
golden.
fight back. Fight back. Just hold them. No problem.
CDG bow.
Okay, everyone jump to 1. Everyone jump to 1. They're here. Jump to 1. Ignore the rest. Jump to 1. Jump to 1, then move to 2. Jump to 1, then move to 2. Okay, move to 2. It's clear. Move to 2. Okay. Resu, then we'll go back to 3. Everyone, jump to 3. Okay, it's okay now. Everyone ready? Buff up, jump to 3. 3 now. Jump to 3.
Lots of DD, bro. Maybe we need to walk. Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. Resu. Need resu. And just hold them there. Shit. Nahatak. They will attempt to break us,
They breaking
Status
already. Breaking already.
breaking. Okay, move to Valk Big. Move to Valk Big. Let's break them for now.
We're still defending M, bro.
Still defending.
Yeah, we're
Sige.
okay.
Can match up. Kaya na? Okay?
Kaya na. White na, white.
Sige. Hold them there at M. Don't forget
Sanctuary.
to
Yeah, Sanctuary. Nice one.
Basag na. Na? Nabasag ba tayo?
Not yet, bro, not yet.
Ba't ganun?
Bakit?
Mali ata ang naano ko.
Greenwood big, Greenwood.
Shit. Mali. Na-warp ako somewhere else.
Okay. Go to M, everyone. Phase 1 and also the stairs in front. Do not let them pass. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, 99% M. Nice one. Resu, everyone. Kick, and then... Yeah, face going to 1, Slowly push them. Jibao ready. Okay, Jibao up. Oh my god, I got killed already. Are you back here? Ano?
Yeah. Died.
I got kicked out.
Late. Okay.
Oh my G. That's broken. Taking 7, bro.
Everyone taking 4 also. They will cycle break this one again. Yeah. Okay, same thing. Apex move to Valk Big. Boa Brit Big. Claw Luina Big. Apex move to 3. DPS, Apex DPS move to M. Okay, Apex DPS move to M. Break now. Yeah, wait. Break now. They're incoming here. Demi incoming here. Fairy pa? What the fuck? Naunahan. Status BOA.
Taking breath big. CD kanina, ang tagal eh.
CD pa pala yan.
Kanina.
Kaya pala. BOA, can you go back to Greenwood and check? Greenwood big.
Okay.
I check Greenwood big. Taken by Demi. Sige. BOA and Claw, can you RG at Luina big? Okay. Apex RG Luina big. EXO RG at 6. Luina big. Junction 6. EXO RG at Junction 6, not 6 itself. Junction 6. We'll see where they will go. Just full force anyway. Ay, sa gitna. Mid. Mid for now. We'll just wait for movement. Can someone station at both safe zones? Wait, someone's here. Okay. Then we'll go. Is it clear, right? Wait, let me exit. Okay, good. Let me just check outside. Still no demigods yet outside. I think they will. Okay, good. Just clear them out. Queen, your party, can you go to Greenwood? Greenwood big Demi. Just scout out there. Yeah, they're full force there. Expecting. How many minutes left?
9.
9. Greenwood. Okay, they will just rotate. Can you move to Valk Big? Chu, choose party. Queen, can you move to Valk Big and check? Just waiting here outside. Yeah. Can you check there? Can you check outside? Check Valk Big. Okay, bro. Dark side incoming here. It's okay. Mhm. 10 minutes Valk, right? Mm, okay. Okay, can you start breaking small? We'll just observe where they will move next. Yeah. Okay, choose party. Can you go to Valk small? Yeah. It's okay. No issues with that one. Still waiting for them to attack. Yeah, just break all the small ones. Queen. Hmm. Where are they? The fuck? It's okay. It's just recently broken anyway, so still have time. We'll just check where Demi is heading. That's why I'm lying in wait. I hate chasing after, so I'll just lie in wait. Luina 520. Okay. Okay, thanks. Okay, sa Demigod scouting here at Luina Big. Scouting here. Let me check the time. No, they can't. So they need to get inside. Okay, good. Move to another small agit. Let's break all the small ones. We'll see. Time, Luina. Can't see me from here, stupid. 4 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Demi is already one Demi is scouting here. So we'll see. Just waiting. Okay, thanks. You can go back to Brit Big. Queen. Go back to Brit Big. Someone is scouting. Okay. Okay. 3 minutes. Yeah. Demi is already starting to scout, huh? We'll see. We'll see. Come on. Demi full? I haven't seen them yet. Let me check. Haven't seen them yet. That's okay. Yeah, it's scouting, it's scouting. Time again. 2 minutes, right? We'll see. Yeah, no Demi insight yet. Ah, they didn't come. Fuck. Why? They're just waiting for us to feed them, then they will break themselves. Fuck. Okay, thanks. Yeah, just come back for now. We'll just lie and wait for uh Demi if they will do one run. Yeah, just come back. Almost done. We're just waiting for them if they will try to attack. Come back to Luina. 56. Okay, at 30, we'll start moving out. Front 8. Ah, everyone's speeded. Fuck. Hey, Trolljack, Dragon. Ah, okay. So now Big Reed has nothing. We have Throne. Okay. Everyone start moving to front 8. Greenwood Lake medium. Move out. Slowly move out. Greenwood Lake medium. Greenwood medium, front 8. We'll see. Are they here? And hopefully. Okay, casualty lang sila. Project Throne. Ah, wala na. Project is out. Let me check. Clear? Yeah. Shit. Wait. I'm scouting now. Right. Wait, huh? Box small. Yeah, can you check Luina big? Can you check Luina big for now? Everyone? I'm scouting. 10 Hope Infinite Espresso Arc OF. Okay, let's move there. Rojak MT Vincer. Okay, EXO RG and Luina big. For now, safe zone guys, safe zone. Relax. EXO speed cake, fast cake. We will go to after the bridge in 3, 2, 1. Move. Just after the bridge, Oh, sige. Kill all Vince here. Kill them all. Wipe them. Wipe them along the way. Wipe them along the way. Okay. Clear them out of the bridge. Clear them out. Push them out of the way. Okay, nice one. Okay, forward. Don't get stuck at the bridge. Forward, guys. Forward. Foods up. What's happening? Why are you getting pushed? Ah. RG for now. RG safe zone. Safe zone. Relax, safe zone. Back for now. We'll go one push. Yeah, we'll go one push. Safe zone. Wait for now. Okay. All EXO at 12. Speed cake, fast cake again. We'll run them through. Foods up. Okay. Engage now. Move out. Engage now. Okay, from 7 we'll move to 6. 6. 6. Engage Rojak. Push Rojak from 6. Okay. Move forward guys, forward. Push forward. Push 6. Push to 6. Push to 6. Push now. Push, don't go to 3. We'll move down to 6. Engage. Vincere here at 6. Second round of foods. Enter 6 guys. Enter 6. 6 now. 6. Move up. Swords. Swords entry. Foods up. Enter 6.
Sakit.
DD, I need DD at 6. RG at 12 first. EXO, RG at 12. Everyone here at 12? Yeah. We'll do them from behind also. Okay, EXO ready. We'll move behind 6. Move behind 6. Behind 6. Move out behind 6. Behind. Behind 6. Wrap around. Okay, start engaging. Long range battle first. Okay, we'll move to the open area. Right side of 3. We have Vince here. Right side of 3. Right side of 3. Clash. Engage with Vince here. Yeah, engage. Long range. Don't fully commit. Long range only. Yeah. Expel those in front of you. Yeah, expel. Okay, ready. We'll move to the left side entry. Not to the right side. Left side entry. EXO left side entry. We'll move here. Yeah. Enter 3 from left side. We're free at left side. Enter now. Left side. Engage. From 3. Lower left side. Okay, go up, move up. Yeah, engage Vincent here. Nice one. Caught them off guard. Oh, clear out. Resu. And clear out. Swords and DD. I want DD. And we're still fighting. Engage. We're still fighting them. Engage.
Ang ina mo.
Okay, push back. Push back with grit. Terus throne naman. Okay, ready. Okay, EXO, we'll move to 5. Ignore 3. Open space. 12 o'clock, going to 5. Move to 5. Open space, move to 5. Okay. Throne here. Throne and empty. Move to 5. Okay, move up. Engage 5. Nice. Engage throne. Move to 5. Nice one. Okay. Cleared out. Wait, no has no adject. Cleared one. Throne right. No. We'll give this. Give this to throne, Throne is with us, right? Okay. Okay, EXO. Move to 2. Move to 2. Move to 2. EXO, move to 2. What's here? Engage Rojak. Why are you defending the M? Where is throne? Will we give this to throne? Not sure. Okay. EXO, last push. We'll push M. Ready. Hoods up. We'll push M. 3, 2, 1. Go. Move to M now. Amp. Engage amp. Just engage. Ah, shit. Get cancelled. Oops, not good. Ouch. Push forward. Just engage. Nice. Kaika. Engage. Why are they not letting throne take this one? Ah, shit. 1 more minute. Still alive, right? Yeah, just engage. Don't let Vincere break this one. Ah, shit.
Puta.
Uy, Vincere. No Ajit. GGTY, guys.